When we first started working on this project, people told us we needed updated and new facilities. We needed all of our students back on campus, and we needed our church to be restored.
We need to replace our classroom space, so we should expand it while we're at it to meet the needs of our current students and teachers, as well as the growing Houston community. Our Scottish Arts program, we don't have that building anymore, and so we need a place for our dancers and our band members to practice. And finally, we need to make some headway on our parking situation.
Part of this capital campaign, Fulfilling the Promise, is the renovation of the church. With the new designs, brand new sound system, with the new restroom facilities, it will just look better, it will feel better with the thought that has gone into the changes, the improvements, the architecture that we're bringing in. We want to serve not only our church families, but also our school families, and we want to serve them well. And this will enable us to fulfill that promise that we've made so many years ago and that we will make so many years from now.
As we started to put everything together for this project, we knew the new facilities had to be beautiful. It had to incorporate the existing architecture as well as not dominate our amazing courtyard. But it had to bring something to our already beautiful campus to make it even more special.
The new building will house wonderful academic spaces for our students, spaces we haven't had before. The classes are set up in such a way where passing times are short, so that'll take a lot of stress off the students getting to class on time, because you know how hard that can be. And so it's set up to be a much more inviting, comfortable environment. And that will allow us to avoid many of the scheduling problems we've had due to a lack of space. And also, I'm very excited that we are going to now be able to offer our mission to more students.
As the fourth largest city in the U.S. and one of the most diverse cities in the nation, we have some amazing industries here in Houston: healthcare, energy, aerospace, and a growing tech industry. And the facilities that we're putting in will help our students be prepared to enter those industries.
Our pipers, drummers, and dancers have amazing talent. This new building is going to provide them with a lot of tools and opportunity to reach their full potential. We're going to have a great recording studio, which is going to allow them to use technology to improve their musical skills. The dance room is going to be new and improved with a lot of new upgrades from their last dance room. And of course, the drummers will be in their own space as well. There's also going to be a large band room for the entire band to meet together, to have practices when there's bad weather and that kind of thing. And we're just really looking forward to using this new building.
I'm very excited about the makerspace. It will be functional for all the disciplines. It will be a place where the teacher and the students can collaborate and build and make things that relate to what they're studying. It can be a location, it can be an object, it can be a science. It's just one of the ways of taking written words and speaking words and put them into a three-dimensional image.
Our campus is going to have so much for families and students to enjoy. I'm really excited about the science rooms and the new labs and the new Center for Academic Excellence. I'm also really excited about the terrace off the third floor, which will overlook our courtyard and into the downtown skyline.
Another exciting aspect is the fact that the bio labs, the physics labs, and the chemistry labs will all be integrated with the main building. So on the first floor of the new main building, we'll have about half of that dedicated to laboratory space, which will be really nice. With a larger lab, we'll have a bigger freedom to do a wider variety of different experiments.
I feel like everybody really cares about your success here. And I feel like overall as a person, I've really grown and I've really matured. I'm really excited about the new building because of all the new things, especially the new labs. The labs are really exciting because it allows for students like me to explore a career in science.
This project will benefit everyone, our church and school families, kindergarten through 12th grade. The new building we're building is 78,000 square feet. It'll house not only the middle and upper school classrooms, but all of our administration. The current high school building will become the lower school building, and it'll be retrofitted to meet the specific needs of the lower school.
Just like our parents before us, we're building a campus not only for our current families and students, but for future generations. With David and Mike's vision for the future of St. Thomas, our students will graduate ready for college, ready for the 21st century workforce, and able to be leaders in Houston and communities across the United States. Please join the many who have already stretched to get us to where we are today.
We need all of our community to join us, from grandparents to alumni, current families, former families, to make a meaningful gift. This is really a once-in-a-generation type project for our community, and we need everybody to really stretch to make the project successful.